Are you looking for the best massage cushions? In this video, we will look at some of the 6 best massage cushions on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Zyllion Shiatsu Kneading Massage Pillow. This small massage pillow only works on a small area, but with its adjustable straps, you can attach it to any part of a chair to target your upper, mid or lower back or neck area. You can also place it on your thighs, calves or abdomen. While it doesn't grant the benefit of massaging a large area at once like a full back massager would, it does give you the versatility of placing it on different muscles around your body so that you can customize your experience based on your needs and your size. It's designed to give you the option for use in the car, and its compact size makes it easily portable. While it does provide a heating function to help loosen muscles, it only offers one massage style, with its 4 deep kneading Shiatsu massage nodes. At number 2. Comfier Portable Folding Massage Cushion. This massage chair pad is different from the other products on this list as it is a full foldable chair with a massage pad built in. This massage chair is light and compact compared to high-priced bulkier models, so you can move it around your home to different rooms, or store it when you're not using it. It has 8 massage nodes that can heat according to your setting, which you control with a wired remote. There are 4 massage nodes at the neck and 4 massage nodes for your back, which roll and need to provide a full back and neck massage. It can recline, which takes pressure off your spine by supporting your back. If you don't have a reclining chair at home where you can place a massage cushion, this reclining massage chair is an affordable option. At number 3. Snailax Shiatsu Massage Seat Cushion. Whereas many people find other massage cushions too hard on their muscles, this cushion lets you choose between a higher or lower intensity, as it comes with a pad you can attach over the cushion to make it softer. The Snailax Shiatsu Massage Seat Cushion targets your neck, shoulders and back, and it gives you the option to target one area at a time. There's also an option for heat therapy, as well as seat vibration at 3 different intensity levels. While it fits well on most chairs and sofas, the neck massage feature may not reach neck level for taller individuals. However, if the cushion does not fit you, it offers a full back and neck massage, giving you a fuller experience for better relaxation. At number 4. 3D Shiatsu and Amp Vibration Massage Pillow. This massage pillow from Homedics is similar to the Zyllion Shiatsu pillow, as it also features heating and a deep kneading Shiatsu-styled massage with rollers. However, the Homedics gives you more versatility of use for a few different reasons. First of all, it has a vibration massage feature, whereas the Zyllion pillow doesn't vibrate. With the Zyllion pillow, you can only use heating while the rollers are massaging, but with the Homedics pillow you can use it just as a heating pad. Every feature can be used on its own or in any combination. For example, you could use heating and vibration, vibration alone, or massage and vibration. The Homedics pillow even costs less, making it a no-brainer when stacked against the Zyllion pillow. The only reason you might choose the Zyllion pillow was if you really wanted to be able to strap it to a chair or use it in your car, as the Homedics pillow doesn't come with a strap or car adapter. One disadvantage could be that the rollers only massage at a 7-inch width, which isn't suitable for massaging shoulders, trapezius and other areas that span widely. However, this pillow is great if you're looking for something for office use, because you can loosen your muscles and improve blood circulation with just the heating function if you want a noise-free experience. At number 5. Comfier Massage Chair Pad. This massage cushion is designed to relieve lower back pain, tension in the upper body and provide full body relaxation. It features 2 vibration massage motors in the seat, and you can enjoy a warm back massage thanks to the 3D rotating heads with heating capability. It has 4 Shiatsu massaging nodes that move up and down to massage your full back, or you can focus the device on one spot. This massage pad is also unique in that it has airbags on the side that compress your waist and thighs for extra relaxation. Furthermore, the massage cushion comes with an easy-to-use controller that allows you to customize your massage. It can also be folded for easy travel and storage. Some users shared that for the massager to provide an adequate massage you need to be the right size and height. If you are either too small or too tall, the nodes won't hit the right spots on your back and neck. Luckily though, there is a 30-day guarantee on this chair pad, so if it isn't to your liking you can always return it. At number 6. Belmint Full Body Massager. If you want the complete full body massage experience at an affordable price, this massage mat is the way to go. It's equipped with 10 massage motors, and it folds in 3 places, allowing you to sit or lay down at any recline. This is what separates it from the other massage cushions on the list. If you want, you can lay down instead of sit, which takes pressure off your spine and helps blood flow to your head, unlike the seated massagers. This mat is highly portable but offers the full body experience at the same time, which is a combination hard to come by. Its thin design allows it to fit almost undetected on office desk chairs. You can choose to have your whole body massaged at once, or focus on one spot at a time. You can control the experience from a handheld device, which allows you to change between 5 different pre-programmed massage modes for different zones and even adjust the intensity level of your massage. When it comes to getting a full-body relaxation experience to relieve stress, the Belmint Full Body Massager is the way to go. However, if you have muscle knots and need it for therapeutic use, you won't get the deep tissue massage that you get with a Shiatsu massager.